everyone. It's Reagan Doherty with Doherty Real Estate Group here at the Ladera Ranch Farmers Market with Shauna. Say hi.
Good morning, Ladera.
So Shauna, what is your business? What do you sell here?
Yeah, so I have all kinds of gluten-free baked goods that I serve to the community.
That's amazing. So what got you into gluten-free specifically?
Yeah, okay, so I love sweets. I love treats. I've baked for years, but I found out 10 years ago that I had celiac. And because of my love of treats, I needed to just work really hard in order to find out how to bake them. And so that's what I did.
I love that. And how did that process go? What was the how did you start? I'm sure that's a big learning curve from baking regularly to totally gluten-free.
It took a long time, a lot of throwaways, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of different flours, trial and error. And finally I started finding recipes that worked for me and different types of flours I like to bake with that were sensitive on my stomach and also tasted good.
There you go. And what have you found is maybe your favorite flour, after all your research?
Yeah. Okay. So I do not like to bake with almond flour. I feel like it's super greasy, super heavy. I really like to use King Arthur, and it's a gluten-free blend. I also like Bob's Red Mill.
Okay. Very cool. Very nice. And what is your favorite thing you make? What was maybe your favorite thing you had before you knew you were celiac and then you had to transfer over? Cupcakes? You already knew.
Yes. Which I don't have here today because sometimes they do tend to get a bit melty, but it's definitely cupcakes.
Okay, what's your favorite cupcake that you make?
Coconut.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yes, I love a good coconut anything. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so you have cupcakes, you have a ton of other things. What are your best sellers that everyone comes back for?
Okay, so this little oatmeal cream pie started this whole business.
Oh, wow.
I made them once for just a block party, and then my neighbors asked if they could buy them from me, and that's kind of what started. So I get repeat requests for this guy, my coffee cake, and all my mini loaves. So like hot cakes. So it's really nice.
Awesome.
And I love Ladera. I have so many great clients here that are super loyal to me, which is fun.
I love that. Yeah, finding gluten-free can be really challenging, especially gluten-free that doesn't taste like chalk.
Yes.
I've had that experience many times.
Same.
What do you think makes your, gluten-free pastries and treats so different from maybe something you buy at the grocery store?
Well, one, I don't use I try to stay away from anything that's processed. So I use organic anytime that I can, which can become costly, but I don't care because I would prefer to go as natural as possible.
Yeah.
So also the fact that it's homemade, I'm not in a factory somewhere. I think it's just a different level of quality that you get.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. And I know you were telling me you're super passionate about this. This brings you joy.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what your favorite thing about being in this business and baking all these goodies all the time is?
It's the clients. Honestly, it's the clients. I have moms that come up to me with little kids who have all kinds of allergies and they can't eat anything. They come to the farmer's market and they're miserable, or they can't buy a birthday cake that isn't shutting down a facility and costs them a ton of money. And that's where I can step in. And honestly, it's hard to find good, affordable gluten-free products. And it does. It just makes me feel like I am bringing happiness through a treat, which I love to feed people. So
I love that. I love that. Well, what else do you want people watching this to know about your business so they come out here and sell out all of your goodies here?
Yeah. I also have an in-home bakery where I offer different selections that, I can't always bring to the markets. And just, I do everything with pride and love and care, and that's really it. It tastes good, I promise. And, that's really it. Yeah, I have a good time doing it.
I love it. Well, thank you so much for being here, Shauna.
Thank you.
Great meeting you too. We'll have all of your information on the screen and down below so people can find you and reach out. And we'll see you next time.
Okay, thanks, Reagan.
Bye, you guys.